Mitsubishi has introduced the latest generation of its small crossover, the ASX, that will be sold at the brand's remaining European markets. Giving new meaning to the term badge engineering, the new model is practically identical to the Renault Captur, with the only visible difference concerning the front grille trimmings. Even the wheels are the same as on the Renault Captur. Although the ASX maintains its compact proportions, 4,228 millimeters long, 1,797 millimeters wide, 1,573 millimeters tall, it features a sliding rear seat that provides more leg room or more trunk space. The cargo area volume can grow from 332 liters to 401 liters, thanks to the feature. Within the cabin, buyers can also choose how much they want to spend. Behind the steering wheel, customers can opt for a fancy pants 10.25 digital driver display that features 3D navigation and is fully customizable. A 7-inch screen is also available if you want to save a little. And if you're fully focused on the budget, the screen can shrink to just 4.2 inches and sit between analog gauges. Just like the exterior design, Mitsubishi has copied Renault's engine options, which will be familiar to fans of the French vehicle. The range opens with a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder engine that makes 90 HP. Next, there is a 1.3-liter turbocharged gas engine that is available with 2 power outputs and features 12-volt mild hybrid technology. The powertrain is offered with 138 HP and a 6-speed manual transmission, or with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and 155 HP. The ASX is also the first full hybrid Mitsubishi being sold in Europe, thanks to a 1.6-liter gas engine that comes with 2 electric motors and an automatic multi-mode transmission. This powertrain offers 141 HP